Hey folks, we got a new iPad stand from Lab22. This was a Kickstarter from back 2022. We've all been waiting patiently. I'm not going to go into details on that. Kickstarter projects are hard. Lab22 is a division from Moment, so you know that they've got some experience in the game. This is the smaller version, which will fit the 11-inch iPad Pro first, second, and third generation, and it'll also fit the iPad Air. So you take your iPad out, you can see this little notch cut out. That's for your camera. When I first was trying to get this on, I couldn't get the magnets to line up very well, and I figured out finally you got to really line it up with this little notch, and then it is pretty strong. It's not going anywhere now. And definitely hold it, shake it. If you start putting it into the middle of the iPad, those magnets are not going to work as good. So you really got to line it up. It snaps to. You can swivel this, turn it around, use it in landscape mode, use it in portrait mode, whatever you like. It's super stable. It really takes a little bit of might to get these things to move and adjust, and so you know that when you get your iPad on here, it's not going to move. But I would advise, if you are going to try and switch it around, take the iPad off first and don't try and do it on there, because that's just one more thing to flex your iPad while you're trying to adjust this. But as you can see, you can swivel this 360 degrees. Very cool little iPad stand. I feel very secure with it on here. I can bring it down really low so that I can kind of write. And the base of it is heavy enough. I mean, it brings it back. When you're fully extended like this, it's still holding it, barely. So you know that this thing has got enough weight where it's not going to be tipping over. As long as you get these magnets set up perfectly on the sides, it's going to be super strong and it's not going to move. Another reason why you want to take your iPad off before you start swiveling it and adjusting it is because I've already brought this down too low where I swiveled it and bam, ran right into the base. And so the thing is naked, there's no protection, it's super easy to just crack it, cause a dent. There is a little screw here. You may be able to adjust the torque with the Allen wrench, looks like. I think I'm good. I don't want to mess with any of that stuff. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to be using it a bunch. Comes at $150. It's already on sale, so I don't know if people are not buying these. Comes in 3 colors. I got the black. There is also a silver, and there is a white finish. So you could really make it look very Apple-ish. If you are interested in checking this out, I'll put the link in the description down below. This was a product by a fellow YouTuber, Sarah Dici, so they've done a really great job with this, and it's always nice to help and support your fellow content creators. So thanks everyone for watching. Please hit that subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you at the next one. Take care.